Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in Fusion 360. Here I will show you how we can make the cylinder head to our V12 engine. To start, you have to activate here the part. We have to activate this component. Then as you can see here in the last episode we did all this feature. Then now we will add holes here to insert the valves. Okay, we have here 4 per 6 cylinder. Then we have 24 valves. Here I will go to the offset plan. Before this, I have to show the construction geometry here. Go to construction. You have to show this plan. This one you can hide it. Select this plan and go to offset plan. As you can see, you can move it in this direction, and notice that we have minus in this direction. You have to put minus 130. Okay, you can see from this side. Then press OK here. Then the next thing to do is just to wait for to see this. Okay, all thing is alright here. Now you can go to the sketch, create a sketch, and choose this plan like a plane to sketch on. Then here you have to make it perspective with ortho faces. Okay, here the next thing to do is to add circles, or you have just to show to project the circles you have here. Okay, then to do that, you have just to go to sketch here, project, or press P, then select this one. Okay, and this one, then press OK. I will rotate this. As you can see, we have this, and you have just to repeat this using I have a problem with my mouse. Then go to your rectangular pattern, click on it. For the select objects, select these. Okay, then for the direction, you have just to select or to leave it like this. Okay, here just make spacing. Okay, then here you have to put 90. Repeat this 6 times. Okay, once you finish this, now just to verify if all thing is alright here. I think it's okay. Press OK, and you have to cut material here with 70, but I want just to verify if the circles we have is 27. We have the radius of 13.5, then the diameter of this we have 27. I think is alright. Press Q here in your keyboard or use press pull here. Then select all of these. Then cut material with 70. Press OK. You can hide this this plane. Okay. And now my mouse is working well. The next step is to add the holes here. To do that, we have diameter of 10. Select this and go to sketch. Then add the circle here, press C. Press C. Here I will put the diameter of 10. Press OK. You have just to repeat this. For me, I will copy this and paste it. OK. Then add the relation between this and the center of this one. You can just repeat this one using a repetition like this. Select the two of them. The same thing, spacing here, the distance we have 90. Repeat this 6 times and press OK. Once you finish, go to press pull and select all of these. If you have any suggestion to do that once, I invite you to suggest to me what you have like solution. All thing is alright here. Just put here minus 70 and press OK. As you can see here, we did it. Okay. Then when you verify now from this one, go to inspect. Okay. then use the section analyze, select this one. As you can see here, now you have the we have a problem here when cut the I have to make this this surface vertical. Okay, I will put here the valve. Then as you can see here, all thing is all right here. To fix that, as you can see here, to fix that, I will cut here with using sketch. Okay, to do that, click on home here, go to a rectangle, then choose this one like plane. Okay, and use here a visual style wireframe. As you can see here, that's your reference. Start from here and end your sketch here. Do same thing in this side. Start from here and go to this one, this point, and you have nice work here. If you have a problem, you have only to add the relation between this point and one point here. Okay, you can use for example, when you zoom on, you see that we have an error here. To fix that, you have just to go to horizontal vertical, select this one. You can select this point. Then for me, what I can do is to project this point using the P. Okay, project P, or go to sketch. You will find project here, then project this point, then go to go horizontal. Now you can select it and select this point. As you can see, we have our edge in the first edge. The same thing here. I can't select this point. To do that, press P and project this point. Now use horizontal vertical, select this point and this point. As you can see, all thing is alright. You have not to add distance, okay, between these. Return to normal mode here. Okay, rotate your model like this, press skip to skip to this. Then you can select the two of them and press Q. As you can see, we can remove material from here. Here start is okay. The extent is to object. Select this like an object, then choose extend faces and okay. As you can see now, when you look from the right, we have all thing is alright here. Okay, when you make now the inspection using section analyze. When you select this, press and drag, and you have a nice view here. Okay, the next step is to add here to add material here. Okay, now select this surface or this, it's not a problem. Go to sketch, I will add material here, go to 2-point rectangle and start from here. As you can see, we have 40 here. Okay, then the distance from here to the center, I don't know, press D to have the distance. Look for the center if you can pin the center. Snap, we can't find the center of this. Okay, it's not a problem to do that. For me, I will add a point. Look for the center of this one or the center of this. Okay, that's a draw point. Okay, then press D to have. From here we have 95. Okay, sorry, I have a problem with Fusion. It's crashed right now. As I say to you, we stopped here. We show you the last thing we did is to show what we have in the interior of this one. We did this and this, and we cut material here. Now we have this surface. This surface is vertical. Then I have just to select it. Okay, go to sketch, and I will have to add a rectangle here. Okay, just a rectangle, and now add a distance from here to here, and I forgot I did it here. Okay, I will stop the sketch, I will delete the last sketch I did, then I will edit my sketch. Right click, I go to edit sketch. Okay, now what I have to do is to add midpoint here. Okay, go to point and find the midpoint. Okay, it's not this one. That's the midpoint. Okay, then add a distance from this midpoint to this one. We have 95. Then from here to here we have 40. Then add here the horizontal vertical between this point and this point. It's not a problem for this one. Okay, you can, if you want, add a relation between this point. Now I will make the same thing in the other side, but I have to use a line here. Press L, Press L to have a line here. You can convert it to construction geometry. Select all of this, or select like this one. Go to sketch, mirror, select mirror line, press OK, and now you can press Q, then select the two of the sides and add material. The distance here, you can press to object, select this point and press OK. As you can see, we finish this, and I have to add a fillet here. Press F to have fillet, then select these edges, this one and this one. We can put 7. Press OK, and you finish the work. In the next episode, I hope you will be in time to see this.